Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am just going to do a quick get ready with me. I've already completed my foundation and my eyebrows, so I'm just going to focus on my eyes. And as you can see, I'm creasing because I did not set my eyes yet, so I'm about to do them on camera. But if you like this look, go ahead and stay tuned. If you like this hairdo that I got going on, you need to follow Taste Pink. She is bomb. She does crochet, like braidless crochets. She does wigs. I mean, she does it all. And it's easy to follow her as well. So big shout out to Taste Pink. Love you, girl. Other than that, let's go ahead and get started with the video. Gotta be listening to my music though. I'm gonna go ahead and just put on some Miguel because I love Miguel and his new album. Oh my gosh, like I literally know the whole album already. Of course, my favorite song is this one. finished look. Tell me what you think in the comments, and this is what it looks like. I probably need to just go over just my liner, but I'm done. And I gotta get out of here because I gotta go to a brunch. So don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for tuning into my channel once again. I'll have more videos for you, I promise. Mwah.